Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of EML Studios. It's your main guy, Prince, and today I wanted to introduce to you this new game that I developed called Talron. Now, before I show you the game, I just want to give you a little backstory about how it came about. So, me and my friend was playing this game called Wordle. It's a word search game, if you haven't played it before, where you try to guess a 5-letter word, and you have 5 or 6 attempts to guess the correct words, and then they will give you hints throughout if a letter belongs or not. And so we thought, why isn't there a game that you can form words by categories? For example, you can form words by, let's say if you love SpongeBob, you can form words by SpongeBob theme, like Sandy or SpongeBob or Patrick, and you could try to find those words within the puzzle. So I thought about this and I was like, that's simple enough. I could definitely create this. And there you go. I have created it. So without any further ado, guys, let me show you how it works. And let's get right into it. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. So first thing you're going to see is your topic in which you want to pick. So let's go ahead. Well, first let me show you all the topics. So we got a bunch in anime, we have a bunch in movies, we have things like Avatar, DC, Aladdin. In shows we have some categories like Homeland, Game of Thrones, Westworld, The Office, and of course in anime we have a bunch. I'm a big anime fan, so we have Overlord, One Piece, Naruto, Bleach, etc. So let's go in cartoons and let's look for a cool category like let's go for SpongeBob, which should be right here. Alright, and then we're going to click on continue settings. Then we have a couple of options. We can either click easy, medium, hard, or expert. So for now we're going to click on easy, and if you wanted to, you could still adjust it more easier if you wanted to make the grid size bigger or smaller. So we're going to keep it at 10, and then you can set a time limit for how long the game should run to give yourself a little bit more challenge. If you don't want any time limit, you can always turn it off and disable it so you have free unlimited range to play the game for however long you want without any pressure, and hints available in case you get stuck throughout the game and can't think of any of the words. So with that, let's give myself 10 minutes. I think I am a pretty good SpongeBob expert, so let's see what we come up with. Alright, so the game has started. As you can see, we have our timer on the top right. We have 10 minutes, SpongeBob SquarePants, and then we are going to form some words. So the idea, once again, is that we look for words that is either character themed or is someone within the show. For example, Squidward or Patrick or Krusty or Crab, because those are all defining characters of SpongeBob, right? So let's go ahead and let's see if we could find some words. I already see Krusty, so I'm gonna put in Krusty here for like Krusty Krab, and then we have other things. We have a crab for Mr. Krabs, and what else? Can we find anything else? As you can see, we have 2 out of 14 words, so that's what it is. So guys, I'm just gonna, spit it up ahead and, find the rest of the words and see how it is. Okay guys, so I think this is a good time to use a hint. So if you get stuck on a word, we have the hint button right here, which will give us a hint on where a possible word belongs or if a word exists. So let's see our hint. It says there is a word that starts with P and it's 8 letters long. Now, we already have Patrick as we see there, so what other word could it be? Let's look for P. Oh, is it plankton? Yes, that's what it is. And we've found the word. And so now we have 5 more words to go. So let's get into it, guys. We're almost to the finish line. And one more word left. What could it be? Let's see. Ooh, it's Karen, Plankton's wife. Woo! We did it, guys. Good job if you were following along. But basically, that's really the game, guys. It's a theme-based word search game that you can pick from several categories, as you saw in the beginning, where we picked a category, a subtopic, and then we set the settings, and then we played the game until we found all words within the grid. And that's really all it is, guys. If you like this game and you really want it to be more available, like on mobile, or you want it to actually be live somewhere that you can play yourself, please feel free to comment this so I can understand the popularity of the game. If you want to just put it on your computer, I'll put the GitHub link in the description below so that you can download this game by yourself and play it on your computer. If you have any questions, guys, just leave it in the comments and I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. But until then, guys, don't forget to like this video and see you in the next episode.